someone you can count on in your time of need.
Scotty got him! Scotty got him! Scotty got him! Scotty got Nick!
Look at Foz, skinny in the house. Skinny mini in the house. Hello. Hello. Here we come. The camera's on the move. Oh, yes. Sexy. Sexy. I want that. Sexy. What's this lady's job? Look at her. I want her. Look at those legs. Sexy.
Oh, she's almost like, I take her. Look what she has in her pocketbook of tricks. Oh, yeah.
I like her.
Look at the feet and look up real slow. She talks, look at her voice.
Come on.
Voice. Oh, listen to the voice.
I hope she yells at me and spanks me and kicks me after class.
Oh my God.
Tom Jennings shit. Two different colors. He had. Looks like he had white chocolate. He had white chocolate cookies and regular chocolate chip cookies.
And come to school and get your education. No school beats Stanford High. Spell it for me.
Can you spell education?
Edumacation.
EMD.
The double EPMD is what they call me. That's all I have to say.
So thank you very much.
Nothing.
Oh, please.
Oh, don't even try it.
I'm trying it. I'm trying it up, and it worked.
Some more lyrics for my fans.
Could you just sing a little tune before you leave, sir? Please, a little tune before you leave.
Yeah, so what do you want to hear me sing?
How about
One of your favorites.
a favorite of yours?
I sing gospel songs.
Go.
Yes,
Go to the
great.
Lord and cheese.
What do you want me to sing?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
I've seen you lifting at the Italian Center.
You have? You know,
You never seen his Jimmy lift. Goodbye.
What do you want me to sing?
Anything. It's up to you.
Anything?
My name is Brian. I live in the jungle.
Don't want me to sing. Don't want me to sing.
Which one do you know? Immaculate Mary. Ave Maria.
Give me a
Tara? That was so dumb. That was so dumb. Karen, I know you're out there. Sue is he's scheming on Sue. He's scheming on Sue. Sue.
Samantha, this tape is coming to you in 2 weeks. You will see this. Stacy AC. Ooh, Michelle Fenton, that's a new one. Ooh, he's going for chocolate sundaes now. He's going for fudge. What's up, you make your chocolate fudge?
I have it.
You first, Kubi, you first.
Bounce, it's beer. I've never had it
You first, I'm scared. I call you first. I call it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
My turn. Okay. Go. Hey.
Give me it.
Cheers.
Daddy, you've always been a rebel.
Oh, look at the cut. Look at the muscles. Muscular. Show him the leg muscles. Show him the leg. Show him, turkey. Ooh, look at that. That boy got a leg muscle. So what up? Thanks for dissing me on Friday.
Yo, this is Funky Foz. Yo, you know what I'm saying, man? Busting out a rhyme here on the stairway. Goes like this. Well, we're chilling in a class called video, rocking and rhyming. That's the way to go. We got a camera and a tape deck. We're gonna film Stanford High. What the heck? We're walking back to class cause we are done. It was quite nice, yes, slightly fun. Got the Panasonic and the Voltronic. Gotta rock like a bionic man. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Pick you up and do a body slam on your ugly face. You is a big disgrace. I'm turning off the camera and packing the mace.